This 2026 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 25MLX is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Columbia City, Indiana, 46725 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Fort Wayne. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.